So as we fill out this single.php file to get our individual blog posts to look good, you'll also notice that many blogs often include the date at which the post was listed or created. So WordPress makes that super easy to do. If we go over here to our single.php file, right under the title is where I'll put it. You could really put this anywhere, but I'm going to put the date to display right under the title. So I'm going to put it inside of a paragraph tag, and I'm going to say PHP and then the underscore date. Okay, so that's a WordPress function that works automatically to display the date. So if I save the file and I go over here, make sure your server is running, then I go over here and I refresh, there, now the date is being displayed. Okay, so how did I know to do that? Well, the loop has a number of functions that you can use. So I'm going to show you this. If I go over here and I Google WordPress, the loop, okay, the first result, the first few will be information about it. Their Codex website has a lot of great information about the loop and what you can do. And there you go. Here's some examples. You can display the title. You can display the time, the category. Okay, these are all things that you can use inside of the loop. Okay, and anywhere you see this tag must be used within the loop, then those are specific tags like the date, the title, the content. These can be used inside the loop. But I recommend you check out this page. I'm showing you this for a reason because you can do a lot of nifty things inside of the loop. And so the only way you would know to use something like the date inside of the loop is by watching a tutorial like this or going through this website. And that's why I'm showing you this website, is so that you can learn to kind of reference it, use it like a reference manual and see what your capabilities are other than the most important things that I'm kind of showing you in this tutorial. So there's quite a bit you can do with the loop. You can have multiple loops working together and so on. So I just wanted to show you that. You can have nested loops. So that's how we add the date to our individual post. And I also want to point something else out. I've wrapped the date inside of these paragraph tags, but I haven't wrapped the content inside of any HTML tags. And the reason why is if we go here and we look, this is the content. It's just one sentence. We haven't added much to it. If I right click on it and hit inspect, you'll see it's already inside of paragraph tags, just like the date is. And then our title is inside of those H1 tags. Well, that's weird because we added the H1 and the paragraph tags for the title and the date respectively. As you can see here, there's our H1 and there's our paragraph. But the content, we didn't add paragraph tags to that. And the reason why I'm showing you this is when you go into the admin section, any text you add here, okay, by default, WordPress out of the box adds paragraph tags to the front and to the end of it. So just keep that in mind. Any text that you add in there, okay, WordPress is going to go ahead and automatically add the paragraph tags, so you don't need to. There is a way to disable that because some web designers and developers don't like that. They like to have full control and, kind of create the tags themselves and whatnot. And so there is a way to disable that function, and we'll look at that later. But I just want to show you that the content automatically has paragraph tags built in, and they're based on how you add your paragraphs in here.